Yesterday, on the 21st of December 2025, a mass shooting at a tavern in Beggersdal, Gauteng, left 9 people dead and at least 10 others injured. The attack happened just before 1 a.m. at the licensed KwaNoxolo Tavern, where patrons were gathered in the early hours of the morning. According to the police, approximately 12 armed men arrived at the scene in 2 vehicles, a white minibus taxi known as a Kumbi and a silver sedan. The suspects were heavily armed with handguns and at least one AK-47 style assault rifle. Without warning, they opened fire inside the tavern, then continued shooting outside, targeting people who were trying to flee. Police say the gunmen fired randomly, spreading terror through the streets of Beggersdal. When the shooting ended, 9 people were dead, 7 men and 2 women. 3 victims were killed inside the tavern. Others were shot outside running for safety. One of the victims was a ride-hailing driver who was nearby at the time of the attack. At least 10 people were injured, some seriously, and were taken to hospital. After the shooting, the suspects reportedly robbed victims, stealing items such as cell phones before fleeing the scene. As of December 21, no arrests have been made. A large-scale manhunt is underway, led by Gauteng Serious and Violent Crime Investigations and other specialized police units. Authorities have not yet established a motive for the attack. The massacre forms part of a wider pattern of tavern shootings in South Africa. Earlier this month, another tavern shooting near Pretoria claimed at least 12 lives. South Africa continues to face one of the highest homicide rates in the world, with firearms remaining in the leading cause of violent deaths, despite strict gun control laws. For the community of Beggersdal, December 21st, 2025 will forever be remembered as the night of terror, loss and unanswered questions. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one. God bless you and ciao.